Welcome to our channel once again, my friends. It's real nice and Molly here. Today we're gonna be cooking for you baigan and chicken, fried baigan and chicken, or balange and chicken, or sautéed eggplant with chicken. And for this recipe we have some eggplant or baigan or balange. We have some chicken, salt to taste, black pepper, tomato, onion, garlic, pepper, celery, and of course scallions. So those are the ingredients we're going to be needing for this delicious baigan and chicken. So let's get started, guys. So forgot to tell you guys, we're going to be using one potato here as well. And we're going to get started by cleaning our eggplant. Okay, so we are all done cutting up our eggplant, baigan. So we added some water there to the chopped baigan and potato until we're ready for it, so that it doesn't oxidize and get discolored. So we're adding some vinegar now at the end to wash it off. So we're gonna add some oil to our pan, which is already hot. So once your oil is hot, you're gonna add your chicken. And to this we're gonna add some black pepper and salt. That's it. So we're gonna let our chicken cook here a little bit until it starts to get a bit of color. Okay guys, so our chicken is cooked a bit and now we're gonna add our seasonings. So after about a minute or so, you're gonna add your eggplant or baigan here now. And the potatoes that was mixed in there. Salt to taste. Some black pepper. Okay guys, so we're gonna give this a quick turn. And it's looking and smelling good already. See that? So we're gonna add, this time we're gonna add a little bit of water, not a lot, just a little bit to help boil the potatoes. If you didn't have potatoes in here, you wouldn't have had to add any water. Alright, so this is looking even better now. So Molly says she's going to add a little touch more water for the potatoes. And then that should need just a little bit more. So that's it there guys. Have you ever had this? It's very good, both with the rice and roti. Okay guys, so this should be done here now. Yes, it is. And look at that. Wouldn't you like to have some of that right now with some roti or rice? I bet you would. Okay guys, so here's our fried eggplant slash baigan and chicken with potatoes. If you like this recipe, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Also click the bell icon to get notifications from us. You will be notified every time we post something to YouTube. Please share this video as well. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.